everyone, the first method is using compass. Draw a straight line, draw a circle on it, mark your points as shown in the figure and make a perpendicular bisector. Join the arcs with a straight line passing through the center of the circle. As you can see, we have divided the circle in 4 equal parts or 4 quadrants. Now we can make more parts of this circle by making more perpendicular bisectors as shown in the video. Again, join these arcs, make straight lines passing through the center of the circle. You have successfully divided your circle into 8 equal parts. We can further do the process in this similar fashion and we will have 16 equal parts. So it's pretty simple, as you can see, that how perpendicular bisectors can be used as a means to divide your circle into a mandala grid or into various equal parts. For the second method, we'll be using a protector. Draw a straight line, draw a circle on it, mark the center of the circle, align your center of the circle with the 0 of the protector and mark the divisions which are 10 degrees apart from each other, like 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90, and then also in the other direction. We'll be doing the same process on the opposite side of the circle as well. After marking all your points, you just have to draw the lines connecting these points passing through the center of the circle. It's pretty easy. You can make as many divisions you want and you can take 5 degree apart points also. You can take 15 degree apart points also, depending on the type of grid you want. So yeah, that's a method for you. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.